Okay, so here we go. Problem 7. We have a payroll problem. A small warehouse employees supervisor $1,200 a week, an inventory manager at $700 a week, and 6 stock boys at $400 a week. 4 drivers at $500 a week. So find the mean and the median. Okay. Well, to find these, I'm going to first put these numbers in order. Okay, and let's see, we got 400 6 times. Then we got 500 4 times. And what do we got? We have an inventory manager at 700, and this payroll is at 1,200. Okay, you should be able to see that now. Okay, so we got 6, that's 10, that's 12 people. Okay, so where would the median be? Well, the median would be right in between these two numbers here because we have an even amount. So in A, the median would be $450. Okay, and then to get the mean, you would add all these up. So you get the sum of these and divide by 12, and if you do that, you wind up getting $525. Okay. So question 2 says, how many employees earn more than the mean? Well, more than $525 is only this person who earns 700, is the inventory manager, and then the supervisor. So there's only 2 people that earn more than $525. Okay. So C asks, which measure of center best describes a typical wage, and that's key word there is typical. Well, most people earn $400 to $500 in this company. Okay, so the better measure of center here is $450 because again, it's more typical. Okay, this $525 is not typical. I mean, out of the 12 employees, 10 of them earn less than that, and 2 of them earn more than that. 1 of them earns a lot more than that. So $525 is not a typical wage in this company. Okay, and then which measure of spread would best describe the payroll? The range, the IQR, the standard deviation. Okay, well, if we go through this, the range is the max minus the min. Well, this is not typical. Okay, this is kind of an outlier, so that would not be a good measure of variation, doing the max minus the min. Okay, the IQR, if we were to do the IQR, it would be 400, and then we would do 400 minus 500 because Q3 would be here, Q1 would be here, so we would wind up with like $100. Okay, and then to do the standard deviation, again, we would have to do the mean. We had to use the mean to do the standard deviation. We take each value, subtract it from the mean, and then square it, and then add all those up together and divide by n minus 1. Well, we didn't like the mean as a typical measure to begin with, so we don't like the mean, we're not going to like the standard deviation. So the best measure here would be the IQR.